Hey guys, my name's Tilo, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a project I made called Bedrock. It's available on GitHub at tilomitra/bedrock. So Bedrock is a way for you to get a production-ready Node web application in under 10 minutes. It gives you user authentication with login, sign up, and reset pages, an automatic REST API, um, server-side rendered pages, and a lot more. And in the next 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get set up with a production-ready web app with Bedrock. So the first thing you want to do is you want to clone the project. So let me go over into my terminal. So you want to git clone it into a new project that you're making, guys. So I'm going to call it bedrock-starter. Next, go into that directory. What you want to do next, guys, is an npm install. Now that's going to take a few minutes, so just in the interest of time, I am going to just copy the node modules folder from another Bedrock project that I have going on. You guys can just use npm install. It'll just take maybe 3 or 4 minutes to complete. Great, so that's done. And you can see that node modules exists inside there. Now what you want to do next, guys, is open it up in a text editor of your choice. I like Sublime. Now Bedrock is a Sales.js project, so if you've ever used Sales, you kind of know what to expect. If you haven't, it's just a web framework based on Express. And Bedrock gives you user authentication built in as soon as you start it up. All you need to do is tell it where your database is. So you can use MySQL, Mongo, Postgres, or another database of your choice. I'm going to use MySQL. And guys, I have a local MySQL database here called Bedrock Starter. It's empty, as you can see. So we're just going to go in here and call our database Bedrock Starter, save that. Back in the terminal, next you want to run grunt db migrate up. That's going to run a migration to create a couple of tables for you. So once that's done, if you go into your database, you'll notice an empty users table, an empty passports table, and a migrations table. Bedrock uses passport.js under the hood for the user authentication flow. And the last step, guys, is to just run grunt build. That's going to build some CSS and JavaScript assets. Bedrock also comes with React, Flux, and React Router built in, but we are not going to go into that this video. The grunt build uses Webpack, and it'll keep watching for changes. So when you see the green command, just Control-C back out. And that's it. Just start the server up with sales lift, and that'll tell you that the server is now running on port 1337. So let's head on over there. And you can see we see a login page. If I try to log in right now, nothing will happen because I don't have an account. Let's go ahead and sign up. Pick a username, pick an email address, and password. Sign up. And it brings us back to the login page. If you check the database, you'll notice that there's now an entry in the users table. There's a hash password here along with an access token, which we can get into in a later video. But now you can just log in. And that's how easy it is, guys. There's a lot more going on in Bedrock. You can have React components that are rendered, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to get set up. You can also go through the reset password flow, which I'll outline in the tutorial. I hope you guys like that, and if you enjoyed this and you want more tutorials like this, go ahead to nodewebapps.com and I'll post some more stuff there. Cheers.